So have you ever wondered how people decide what to put on their thumbnails and how they can make sure that their thumbnails pop on all devices? Well, I've discovered this new ThumbsUp.tv app, which enables you to drop your thumbnail into here and see what your video thumbnail will look like on all the different devices that YouTube has access to, and of course helps you decide whether your video thumbnail will pop or not. So how do I use this video thumbnail option? So all you have to do is click on the link here and upload a video thumbnail. So here I've got this different one. Open it up here and it will automatically place that into the browser so that you can see what the thumbnail will look like on all the different devices. Now, why is this important? Well, when we go to YouTube and we go to the home page, what happens is that when we do a search, you can see that all the different videos that come up have different thumbnails on. Some of them are segmented, some of them have words on, some of them just have pictures. Some of them are quite busy, like for example this one here. It's quite busy and it's quite difficult sometimes to see the writing. Whereas say like for example this one, there is only a couple of words that bounce out to you, and this one here as well. They just sort of bounce out and they catch your attention. So for you to just check whether your thumbnail will bounce out and catch people's attention, why not give this ThumbsUp.tv a go? I've recommended it to my social video club members to check whether they're keeping in their sort of like making their thumbnails pop on their channel. One of the things to mention as well is that if you keep your text to a minimum and enlarge the text, you're always going to see that you'll still be able to read that text even on the smallest of options and within the smallest area on YouTube. So just thought I'd bring this to you, a quick, easy option. It's completely free to use, and I will put this link inside of the description of this video so that you can give it a go and see how you can make your video thumbnails pop as well. Mine have all been made in Canva. If you have any questions, drop them below this video. My name's Anita Wong. Please give me the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video.